This is the Greenwich telescope cover. It's one of the best telescope covers I've seen, better than those aluminum ones because its material is really strong and sturdy. It's almost like a tent, good tent, the way they used to be. And I'm covering a telescope like this. I'll put the telescope out to reach the thermal equilibrium, and I will show you. This is my lovely, trustworthy Meade LX200 8-inch telescope, and I love this controls that you have here, and you can adjust it. But what I've done, I've added this accessory tray to it, so I can put the eyepieces of different sizes. Usually the eyepiece holders don't have more than 2 spaces for 2-inch eyepieces, but this has 4, and 6 spaces for normal eyepieces, and 2 spaces for the hand control. I will be using in ultrasound mode, so I will not be using any of the hand control or anything like that. Okay, this is the telescope as it looks, and I've removed the cap so you can see the mirror. Because the tube is closed, that means the end of it is eyepiece end is closed, the front of it is also closed by the corrector plate. It needs to be left outside to reach thermal equilibrium if you want to get a very good steady image with this. And the images with this, superb. If you want to look at the moon and feel that you're flying on the moon, use this telescope and use it with a binary viewer. That is the best experience you will have ever. It's like you're in a lunar module flying over the moon. I'm using a RASI, right angle correct image finder with this telescope. A Revelation Astro dual speed Crayford focuser and a CED1 contrast enhancement diagonal with this really good really good this one. And I use several pieces to put there. When the time comes and it's reached thermal equilibrium, I will be looking at the moon, which at the moment is there, just past the first quarter phase. This is the primary mirror of the telescope, and this is the secondary mirror. In principle, they're very similar to atop. The only difference is atop can be cheaper made because they and better corrected because they use just a meniscus, a spherical meniscus. But this has to use a specially shaped corrector plate. And this is a Meade F10, a Schmidt-Cassegrain F10. Diameter of the objective is 203.2 millimeter. Focal length 2000, and F10. That means it's a good telescope for planetary viewing. But you can add focal reducer here. I have not done it here, but I can do it, and that focal reducer makes it into a good wide angle eyepiece telescope. Yeah. Okay, as you see, the parked position for this, the safest way and for storage, is to put the objective front corrector plate side down and objective side up, and that is the way you can actually store it. With these 2 knobs you can move it on both axes, and even you can lock it here. There is a locking mechanism on here. You can lock it as a level, and this one also you can lock it there. The lovely Greenwich telescope cover actually protects it from the overheating when it is exposed to the sunlight. So that's the way we use this now. And for ease of observation also, I'm using a second-hand little chest of drawers, which I can put my eyepieces, my paper, if there is any book, I can put it there. Cleaning, optical cleaning instrument tools, I can put it there. Air blower, and at the same time I can put my hand here, or if I have a coffee I can put it here. Just enjoy the comfort of the observation. I have observation chair also that I will use with this.
I like this one, this one. Sorry mate, not good for you. Get a tummy ache. I think you've got a fresh gluten. Do you know sometimes can't digest gluten?